Okay, day 7. This is one I've been dreading. Indian Grave Gap to Dix Creek Gap. Again, 14 miles, 26.5 kilometers or so. Up and over Trey Mountain, which is one of the baddies. And then Kelly Knob as well, which is not quite as bad, but so 2 huge mountains to go over. The weather is nasty. It's just cold. It's cold. Again, hellacious winds, upwards of 30, 40 miles an hour. So that's 50 to 70 kilometers an hour for the wind. So, and it's going to be around freezing. So the sun's supposed to pop out this afternoon, so that might make it a little better, but it's not going to be a pleasant day. So, and it's a long day. So I'm going to get going that way, and we'll see you in a few minutes. So I'm about a third of the way up Trey Mountain, and it's getting snowier, icier. It's a real struggle. By the way, I need to apologize. Yesterday I forgot and held the camera vertically, not horizontally, a couple times. I'm a slow learner, sorry. But let's see what we're dealing with here. So here we go. It's really difficult. We're not going to do much, but when you're in the wind, it's bad. When you kind of get out of the wind, it's not too bad. But it is cold. It's frigid cold up here. But so it'd be nice to get this day behind me. And not quite 2 miles in. Still got 3 miles or so, 3+ miles to get up to the top of Trey Mountain, where it's pretty cloudy, so I'm not sure I'm going to get a view or anything, but so we'll see. Anyway, hopefully when I get to Trey Mountain, I'll try again, see what we can see. Look, and here's the first viewpoint. Yeah, nothing. Oh, it's snowing. Snowing, windy, snow's piling up, and I'm still going up. So anyway, I better get going so I make it. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize I was at the top. This is the top of Trey Mountain. I should just add that. So can't see anything, snowing, snow's getting deep, so I'm gonna keep going, but it is Trey Mountain. So, still going along, about 5 miles in, I guess. So not halfway, but it's cold. Now, people who know me, know that I make fun of people who talk about wind chill. When I say wind chill is for losers. But, so today I'm putting that theory to the test because it's cold, but with this 40-mile-an-hour wind, it's really cold. And I also, of course, subscribe to the Norwegian proverb that there's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing. So hopefully I'm prepared. But anyway, I had a Cliff Bar Indigo, and my water's frozen. Now it's not solid, so I was able to get some out, but there's quite a lot of ice in my water. And when I started, it was not. But anyway, down, down, and up we go. Sun's coming out though. Okay, so somewhere out there, the sun is shining. It looks pretty nice. However, I'm not there. I am still in this winter wonderland, and I have been for hours. But anyway, there's blue sky kind of everywhere, but we'll see. Anyway, but it is beautiful out there. You can't see very well, but. Woo! Yowza! I've made it to the top of Kelly's Knob, and it was absolutely brutal. Way worse than Trey Mountain. And there's a lot more snow here too, of course. But just a real grind. Anyway, I'm at the top here. Let me show you what I've got. Whew, it's really beautiful. It's hard to see, and there's probably a viewpoint down here, but the snow's so deep, I'm afraid to walk down there. I need to keep going before I get too cold. But right now, actually, I'm shielded from the wind. And the sun, actually, whoa, wow. If I stand here, I'm actually in the sun. But anyway, so about a little over 5 miles. 8 kilometers, 8.5 kilometers left down to the bottom. I'm gonna stop for lunch here in a few minutes at a shelter down to the bottom of the knob. But anyway, it really is staggeringly beautiful. And oh, there's a beautiful lake over there. I don't know if you can see that. Probably Lake Hiawassee, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, whew, tough day though. And going into Deep Gap Shelter, which is unfortunately quite a ways off the trail. I didn't realize it, but anyway, I'm gonna have a quick lunch and put my feet up. Anyway, so rugged day, really. But the worst is really over to more or less. I've got to go up over that mountain and then down that way for several miles to finish. So anyway, let's have a quick lunch and then head out. Going down this hill, it's been really treacherous. And then literally all of a sudden, the snow's gone. I get to the spot where the snow is gone. So, you know, about 2 kilometers, a little mile and a quarter left. So, let me put it down because it's still pretty treacherous. Ground's frozen. So I completely forgot to do a wrap-up video this evening. So I made it to Dix Creek Gap. Long day, 14 miles, 26.5 kilometers. Brutal weather, just snow on the ground. Terrific winds. I'm windburned. But anyway, I mean, you know, it was two tough mountains. But now I'm showered and I'm actually doing laundry for the first time. But I'll set out again tomorrow. This time I'm going for overnight stays. I'm staying out because of the remoteness of the area that I'm in. So I say I'll start at Dix Creek Gap tomorrow, and not sure how far I'm going to go. I'm going to go to one of the shelters. I'm not sure which one. So we'll see. 12 miles, probably 11.8 miles, which is about 20 kilometers, a little under. Or there's one at 16.5 miles, which is 26 and 27 kilometers. No, a little further than that.
28. So, anyway, exhausting day. Ready to go to bed. But anyway, get up and do it all again tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow at Dix Creek Camp.